So we would be going left and then right into the mountains. Guys collect money while I see them.
It's Saturday. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlogs. Today we're gonna hike to Edith Falls.
So right now we are at the Chaguaramas Public Golf Course and Clubhouse.
Check that crap.
We're in Tucker Valley. Scattering in here.
Tuck a body, tuck in your belly, whoever it is.
Golf course over here. And where we heading? This way. So we're heading up this road here. This is where we enter in. This is your road. This is where we enter in here. Edith Falls Trail. Right, and inside here is where we go in. Notice from the CDA. Okay, so far is a nice clear trail. Easy. So we're walking on this trail here, and basically the golf course is right next door. So we're walking on a trail that parallel to the golf course. I don't know if you could see. You can actually enter the golf course from here. At this point, the trail gets a little narrower as we head in deeper. So on the side of us here would normally have water, but no water today. So here is where you would normally cross the river, but in the first week of January, so not much rain and water, and I guess it'll flow down there.
Usually we have some big crocs in the water over here.
No,
no crocs today.
that's not true. So we're heading up this way here. That's where the river would normally be. So this here is the first incline. It is not steep at all, but it's the first time we moving uphill, I would say. This tree here fell and basically blocked the trail down there. Instead of coming straight across here, we had to walk around and come through here. So just be wary of that. Now we're heading this way. There are these red markers, like on branches or on trees, so you can just look out for them in case you're unsure and you're coming here for the first time. Here is the second incline we're going up. Not so bad, but it's definitely not like what we've been up before. It's basically flat, and now we heading up. There is a trickle of water down there, and that's a good sign. This would be another area that you would have to cross the river, but it's dry, so there's no water, just rocks. Look you! Okay, so this area a little tricky. I would assume if it had water, it would be even more tricky. Trees fell, lots of debris.
Yeah, monkey is real aggressive too.
Don't be too keen on me, monkey.
This is where we heading up. A little tricky. Also have a fallen tree. Just be wary of that. So for the first time.
You think I got 12 people, look?
A little bit of water. Oh, look at that. We're heading up this way. Lots of rocks. You need to wear proper footwear. Tons of rocks.
Go ahead, I'll be on it.
Real rocks. We just came up all those rocks. And we heading up this way here.
Underlined.
Might be like that water.
I thought it rained this morning. So I thought it rained this morning.
And up here, it's a little steep. A little steep. That's where we come from. Hey, down there. Alright, so we're heading up this. So this is where we reach at the top of the hill. And this is where we just come from. Well, not down there. We took this path here. Heading up there. We reach. Basically don't have that much water because we need dry season. So it's a trickle down from the top. That's where it starts up there. And then you can kind of see down here coming down. Okay, so there's a little bit of water here, settling, and then this is where it actually falling. High up. Check out the falls.
I don't know who. You told her?
Yeah, go.
No.
That was it?
Yeah. You want me to sit down with you?
Sure.
Oh. And I don't know what she getting on so far. Hey, you don't have to bid later, girl? That's how he do like to watch the camera, though he pretending to be on his phone while he's videotaping. I watch the pictures from random photos while Nirvana videotaping.
Okay, so that's the end of the vlog. We leave it now.
Yeah, G.
How was it?
That was good.
Okay, so it was real nice, I would say. Again, the period we came didn't have much water. As you could see behind here. But it was still nice and enjoyable.
When you're coming down, you have to skip down at around 10.
We took approximately 40 minutes to come up here. And it'll probably take a little longer to go back down. But all in all, nice hike. Nice trail. This is where we just hiked this area here.